Money for Everyone Pro review. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to our channel where we give you advice on how to be an affiliate marketer with honest and trustworthy ways. So today I am reviewing Money for Everyone Pro. Now this is from Vic Carty and Tom E. Meachin, and it launches on June the 9th, 2021 at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch period ends on June the 16th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. The front end price is $17, and if you move your mouse cursor away from the browser, you actually get a $2 discount. And it has 5 OTOs, and it's available on the Warrior Plus platform. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the sales page. I will go through the membership area, then I'll go through the OTOs, and then I'll state whether or not you need this product. So today on the sales page, it says we've found an error inside a multi-million-dollar company. It pays us $50 a day passively. Here's how you can duplicate our results within 23 minutes. PS, no one else is doing this. So it says auto monetizing, reading, unique, never seen before, free traffic software. Once it's set up, it works on 100% cruise control. No one else is doing this 100% unique and rewarding method. All traffic is 100% built-in, free, guaranteed, super easy for newbies, set up, done in 23 minutes, then it's on autopilot and scalable to the moon and back. So who is the multi-million-dollar company? Well, it's Amazon, and it is publishing Kindle ebooks on their Kindle Direct Publishing platform, which is called KDP, and you also enroll your ebook in Kindle Select, which allows their Kindle Unlimited readers to read your books for free. You also are able to actually promote your book for free for 5 days during a 3-month period, where people who don't have Kindle Unlimited can actually download your book. But this is not about getting book sales, nor is it about getting book reads. It's more about actually putting in your links to either a funnel or to a opt-in page where you can be then building your list and then selling people different products that are linked with the book you have created in that particular niche. Now, there is nothing wrong with that method. It has actually been going on for a while, and people use it as a free traffic method to become known, liked, and trust. Now, is it guaranteed? No, because you still need to actually get people to buy your book or to download the free version. Is it super easy for newbies? Yes and no. There's still lots of things you need to learn. Does this training actually cover all the things you need to learn? And probably not. So this is the first part of the training. Now, they introduce you to Johan Klitz. He is a South African police officer that retired at 61. And he says he made $160 in 3 days using this method. What he might have done if he knows what he's doing. So there's also the usual reviews from different internet marketers that may not have even looked at this packaging, but they are selling it for the vendors. Now, there's not the usual Warrior Plus income statements that mean nothing, but here he talks about that you can earn between $2,500 and $5,000 a month on 100% cruise control. Well, that may or may not be the case, and I'll show you why I don't think it is the case. So there are again another couple of reviews down here. Gives about the 3 steps as well. But the reviews is from Johnny Rose and Alexandra Sambini. Well, Alexandra Sambini is actually well known in the KDP niche. He does a lot of different things, has created some really good courses. This method is not new, but what they are doing with it, there are certain things that are questionable. So let's actually go in. So this is actually the membership area. I've actually been through all the training. Now, the first part of the training is actually Tom, who actually promotes another webinar that obviously leads to a high ticket funnel. And if you can see this web page as well, it says copyright 2018. So they have launched this before. So again, it is not new and it is not unique. Then there's the method overview, where he actually tells you what it is, which is creating ebooks for Kindle and actually putting your different links there, which you can do. There is nothing wrong with that. And then there are 13 different videos that walk you through the money for everything method. Now, they give you a piece of software, which is where you actually send people from your book so that they can actually then claim a free bonus about making money online. And those people, you can be building your list, and there's also an upsell within that link, and you are an affiliate for that link and you earn commissions on it. You only earn commissions on the front end of that affiliate link if all you purchase is the front end. Now again, nothing wrong with that. What I do have a problem with is this software doesn't actually work. When you click on it, it gives you this. Now this is the software that actually builds your opt-in page and then sends them on, and your opt-in page doesn't work either. So the links don't work. So that's the first thing I've got an issue with. Now the second thing I actually have an issue with is the method of actually creating your ebook. What they suggest you do is you go to YouTube and look for videos that are in the niche that you are going to be creating your ebook on. Then they tell you to download the YouTube videos by using free YouTube downloadable tools, and then uploading those same videos to a website that does or speech to text, which is all fine and good if you've created your own videos and you want to have text there for your customers, or to create your own ebook from your own videos. Now what you cannot do is go to YouTube and just take anybody's videos. If you are going to be using this sort of method, you need to make sure that you are using Creative Commons videos. But you can also put your KDP account at risk, because you are taking information that is freely available on the internet, which is against KDP's terms of use. Also, if you don't change anything from that and make it your own, put your own voice on it and make it unique, you are also creating duplicate content, which again KDP doesn't like. But the main thing is using other people's products which are copyrighted, which is actually against the law to use people's copyrighted products. And any product that is created is copyrighted to that person that has created it, unless they personally give that copyright away free, or they give a license away for you to be using it. So that is the biggest issue of all of this. Nor do they go through and show you how to actually go and change the different things in the videos to actually make the books yourself. They give you some downloadable documents that shows you what your book needs to look like and where you should put the links. Now these books don't have to be very big. You can create checklists and put them on Kindle and be using that to send people to different affiliate offers or to your own funnel. Now the third thing I have an issue with is we can actually go to Amazon and check the sales that Vic is having. Well, at least on Amazon.com. We can do it for all the others, but I'm going to show you on Amazon.com. Now in his videos he actually shows you walking through one book, what he has created. Well, the front cover, he shows you how to do it in Canva. Not greatly detailed. Same with the book, he doesn't show you how to format it properly. What he does show you to do is how to actually format your description using HTML, which until this month, or should I say mid-May, you needed to have HTML to create a decent description. But now KDP actually provides you that HTML description tool as well. So you don't need to go anywhere else to create that. But number 3, why I'm worried is actually the sales. So if we have a look here, what I did is I did a search for Vic Carty. It's brought me up 80 results, really, 1 to 16 of his books. Now I've got a lot of plugin tools because I actually use KDP. I create books, I write books, I mainly create low content and no content books, so I have a lot of tools so I can do research. So this is the first page, and this is the book he created in the video. Now there's another issue here. He's got New Time bestseller. Well, I've never heard of New Time. I've heard of New York Times, and you can only really put that if you are a New York Times bestseller. Now if you see these figures here, now I've got a special plugin that actually shows me these figures, but you can actually see them next to the book, and I'll show you where to see that. And these are the best selling ranks. Now best selling ranks tells you how many books they are selling. Now this changes every hour, it goes up and down, but the higher the rank like this means the less amount of books you are selling. Now the whole purpose of this is not really to make a profit from selling books. It is really about growing your list and making a profit from selling people products on your list. So that is what the whole purpose of this. But you still need to get the traffic, and in order to get the traffic you need people to actually get hold of your book, whether it's free or to purchase it. And one of the methods he uses is to actually have a Skype group that people swap their books when they are free, and then people can read them and leave a review. Again, that is a bit questionable about people who know you leaving your reviews. Amazon does not like that and often blocks those reviews. Nor can you ask for a 5-star review. Now, in his training, Vic never mentions asking for a 5-star review. He says you can ask for a review, which is fine. You can ask for a review, you just cannot ask for which type of review you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to another website, and we're going to actually look at the sales rate. So that is 624,599. So if we go back there and copy that, go to this calculator that actually calculates how many books they are selling or giving away for free every month, and that is 4 for that particular book. So yes, he's got several books. He's got 80 books, it says on that search for Vic Carty. Now that one's not sold. This one's not even his, but that's got a low BSR rate. That's quite high. That's quite high. Quite high. I was going to say that's low, but that's not his book. Quite high. And a lot of these are quite old as well. They're 2015. Now let's click on here, see if there's any more. That's not his. No, this is his, again quite high. And then we're just going into other products that have got nothing to do with Vic Carty. So he's got about 16 products in that particular pen name. He may have another pen name, so he's not actually got a lot of sales going on. He's probably got about 10 sales in total with his books that he says is driving him a lot of traffic. Now again, I don't know if he's got any other pen names, but from that particular one, I don't believe that that is what's happening. So let's move on to the OTOs. There are 5 of them, and the first one is $67 with a downsell of $37. And what this does is an income booster. So in the front end, you supposedly get this link here that you can send people to opt in, and then if they purchase, you get a commission for the front end. Now OTO 1 unlocks it and gives you all levels, so if they go through the whole funnel, then you get a commission for the whole funnel. Then OTO 2 is clone out success, which is $37 with a downsell of $27. What happens here is Vic gives you over the shoulder Money for Everyone case study training, where he shares his own personal strategy for his method, showing them how to get $100 in the next 24 hours. Now, that is not possible because Amazon KDP takes up to 72 hours to approve books. Now, they are a lot quicker with ebooks. You can sometimes get them sorted out in 2 hours. But again, you still need to create the ebook, and I don't suggest stealing somebody's YouTube video to do it either. Then OTO 3 is done for your auto income, which is $97 with a downsell of $67. And what this is about is actually placing your pixel on all the sales pages that gets tons of daily traffic. So they'll create a full and complete funnel for you, so you don't have to do anything using our custom landing pages we have tested to convert. So that's one of them there. So hopefully that is working. Then OTO 4 is the Money for Everyone Lazy Man's Profits. And this is where they actually give you a 30-day autoresponder sequence that once they opt in, they actually write all the emails for you for 30 days. Then the last OTO is the Lifetime Life Coaching, which Vic actually gives you personally week after week lifetime access in a live weekly webinar series where each person gets all the personal attention that they need, and that is $197, which wouldn't be bad if they were showing you some really good methods. Now, there's nothing wrong with the method. What is wrong is using people's YouTube videos. That is actually illegal, to be using somebody else's copyright. So in conclusion, I personally would not recommend this product, mainly because of them encouraging you to use YouTube videos, taking somebody else's copyrighted material and using it as your own. A, it is against the law, and B, you are risking your KDP account getting shut down. Now, yes, this method in itself, actually putting affiliate links in and creating opt-in forms, is a great way of making money if it is done correctly. And you can have books created for you by hiring people either on Upwork or on Fiverr or any other freelancing site that does ghostwriting for you. And there's lots of other training out there that'll actually teach you a better way of doing this method. So overall, I am going to give this a 3 out of 10, mainly because of the issue with the copyright. If there hadn't been that issue with copyright, I would have given it a hell of a lot higher score, and if the software had worked. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos that I make about affiliate marketing and reviewing other products. Also, while you're here, why not check out my video on affiliate marketing step by step and what is a landing page.